Welcome back to Sarita's garden. This is the southeast corner. This is a new bed that I wanted to highlight and profile because this is one of Brad's best beds ever. He found some pine logs that he picked up and brought back. These were left on the side of the road at someone's house where they removed trees. And I just think it looks so sharp when we get a bed outlined like that. It makes it much easier to mow and so on and so forth. He brought a lot of fresh mulch in. And this is the new member of the family. This is breadfruit. Breadfruit grows well here. The only consideration is that it doesn't like the cold when it's young. So we will have to protect it. We were advised to put stakes around it and a tarp around it if the weather is predicted to get below 45. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that, particularly January and February. My understanding is that it's just in the first 3 years while it's young, and then once it's bigger, I think it's a little bit more hardy. Anyway, if you haven't heard of breadfruit, definitely look it up. And it's a great starch that can be roasted, cooked, boiled, various different ways. And we got the variety called Yellowheart. It's supposed to be a good sized breadfruit and a nice sweet flavor. Brad's had it before when we visited an island. That was when we visited St. Kitts, and he loved it. And we've bought it when we've been in the Caribbean as well and boiled it, cooked it up. Traditionally, it's often roasted in coals outside, like in a fire pit. So maybe there'll be a fire pit in our future. Already existing in this bed as I move further south this is an Angie mango that I grafted last summer. Then we have some lemongrass, unclear which variety of banana. We also have an ice cream bean. We planted these by seed. We got these seeds from the Mango Palooza Festival last July here at Incredible Edibles. The little yellow flags are where Brad put in some jack bean seeds. And I've had jack bean grow pretty well in the banana belt where it can get. We're hopeful that that might do well out here as well. Just a nice nitrogen fixer. It's really easy to propagate because we have tons of seeds. It has a beautiful flower, kind of fills in and shades the mulch a little bit. So we're finding that we're using jack bean a little bit all over the place right now. This is a coconut from our coconut palm that we popped in here. Actually, there are two. And then we have a plumeria. That was a cutting stick from a friend last year, and we'd had that in a pot all year. And we popped it in maybe about a month ago here, and it's just leafing out and thriving. This is the time of the year that plumeria or frangipani goes into leafing out and flowering. We haven't had flowers yet. And then here's the last banana. So this is a really nice bed. We're liking this. This is a very wet corner. We have been thoughtful and considerate of what types of plants can survive standing water if we have heavy rain, and because this could be flooded. Breadfruit can handle that, mango can handle that, banana can handle it, ice cream bean can handle it, also coconut. So yeah, we've got a really nicely curated bed. It's taken us a while to figure out what are the things that can do well under those conditions and where are those areas on our property. But we're figuring it out. So let's stay tuned and see how this southeast bed in the flood zone fares. Thanks for watching Sarita's Garden. See you next time.